Hey, hello friends. Today we are going to discuss renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. So, this system eventually responds to two conditions. The first is hypovolemic condition and the second is hypotension. Hypotension is decreased blood pressure. Decreased blood pressure condition and the hypovolemia is the decrease in the extracellular fluid volume. So, if any of these two condition is prevailing, then the renin secretion will increase. From where? Which part secretes renin? That is juxtaglomerular apparatus. Juxtaglomerular apparatus of kidneys will increase the secretion of the renin, which eventually acts on the angiotensinogen to convert it into angiotensin 1, and then angiotensinogen converting factor, which is being actually secreted by the vascular endothelium. And as we all know that the vascular endothelium of lungs is very much prevailed, so it is being mainly secreted by the lungs, and this factor eventually converts angiotensin 1 to the angiotensin 2, and this angiotensin 2 eventually works on these two factors by increasing the aldosterone secretion from the adrenal cortex. Adrenal cortex secretes the aldosterone, so it will eventually increase the aldosterone secretion, and this aldosterone eventually acts on the cortical and the medullary collecting ducts to increase the reabsorption of sodium from the collecting ducts. And this angiotensin 2 also increases the sodium reabsorption from the PCT. So these two mechanisms will eventually result in the increase in the sodium in the extracellular fluid, and this, if there is increased sodium, that will eventually result in extracellular volume expansion, because if there is more sodium in the extracellular fluid, more will be the osmotic pressure, and that increased osmotic pressure will eventually help to retain more water. So more the water, more will be the volume of the extracellular fluid, and hence our first condition, that is hypovolemic condition, is being solved. Now the hypotension, now this angiotensin 2 eventually acts on the vasoconstriction, that is constricting the vessels, and as the volume decreases, pressure will eventually increase, and this increased pressure will eventually solve our hypotension condition, that is decreased blood pressure is being solved by increasing the blood pressure here. So these two problems are being solved by the renin angiotensin aldosterone system, and hence if the condition is being solved finally, then the renin secretion will eventually decrease. Thank you.